Codecademy Honest Review, my real user experience and insights on learning coding. Learning to code can feel overwhelming, but platforms like Codecademy promise to make it simple and interactive. I've used Codecademy for several months, and here's my honest take on how effective it really is for beginners and professionals alike. Most people assume online coding courses are boring or too theoretical, but the surprising truth is that Codecademy feels more like a game than a lecture. From the first lesson, you write real code directly in your browser, no installations, no setup headaches. I started with Python and web development. Each course is broken into small, hands-on lessons that guide you from basic syntax to building actual projects. You get instant feedback on your code, which helps you learn faster and make fewer mistakes. The free version covers essentials, but if you are serious about progressing, the Pro plan unlocks career paths, quizzes, and real-world projects. I found the structured paths like full stack engineer or data analyst incredibly useful for staying on track. One thing Codecademy does well is pacing. It keeps lessons short but meaningful, perfect for people learning after work or school. The community forums are also active, and support is quick to respond when you're stuck. However, it's not perfect. Some advanced topics feel simplified, and you might need outside practice to master complex concepts like algorithms or databases. Overall, Codecademy is one of the best platforms for starting your coding journey. It's interactive, motivating, and affordable. If you're ready to learn at your own pace and actually enjoy the process, Codecademy is a fantastic place to begin.